So guys, I just got this crate engine back, and I got a bit of a dilemma here. I need to get it unloaded from my truck to my storage, but I don't have any help. None of my buddies are available right now, so I got to figure out how to maneuver this thing by myself without hurting myself or tearing up the damn engine. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what I did. I came up with a cool little idea to get the engine off the truck and get it in place where I need it, and also be able to move it around easily when I need it to, guys. So stay tuned. Don't touch that dial. Okay guys, we just got the LS3 back. We got it in this huge crate. It's on the back of my truck. The guy who I bought it from, he helped me load it, and he had some equipment that was able to get it on my truck safely with no issues, the two of us. Now I'm by myself. I don't have any help. I'm over here at the Honeycomb Hideout, and I got to figure out how I'm gonna get this 400-pound engine and crate off my truck safely. I think I've got it mapped out in my mind how I want to do it, but I'm gonna show you guys what I came up with. If you got better ideas or better suggestions on how you would have done it, let me know about it, man. I want to hear what you guys would have done, how you would have tackled it. Love to hear your suggestions, so drop those comments down in the comment section. And of course, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel, guys. All right, let's get to it, guys. Made this super dope furniture dolly, so we calling it. It's an engine, crate engine dolly. 2x, what is it, 2x8s? Yeah, 2x8x8s. Cut them down, screwed them together, added the casters, and voila. That's what you got. Now I can move this thing around anytime I need to. Pull the cars out, I can just move it around to the next bay. And that's a wrap, guys. That's my little quick video, quick how-to video, just to show you how I get things done when I'm by myself and I don't have any help. A little ingenuity, common sense, and patience. I appreciate you tuning in again to my video. I appreciate the support. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Of course, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And then, of course, tell a friend about our channel and share this video with a friend, okay? I'll see you next time, guys. Thanks.
MTC Beats.